What's going on, boys?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Talk to me. What are you trying to connect now?
Look, this is what I'm listening to. This is what my music is up to.
So it's full stick. Wait, what's the volume on your phone?
No, that's trust me.
Oh, it's max.
Yeah. So 28 is the max I do it. And look, bro, I'm not just not happy with it. Like it doesn't, like, you know when you listen to something and it's like it
doesn't-
moves you, and then you turn
yeah.
it down a little touch. That's it.
It doesn't feel the car.
She got a little bit of stomach, but that's okay. She gon' let a real nigga eat out.
I freaked. Look at him. Look. Bro, I walked past and I took a double stand. I go, bro, that's me.
Yeah, bro. So we put these on the back of the head, on the back of the back seats for the kids.
And what, touchscreen, everything?
It's fucking fully.
YouTube?
You just go like that. You turn. Oh, I mean, wait, because your will go back. Right?
Yeah. Look at that.
So we go back. Car's complete. Stage 1.
Yes. Stage 1 done. Boom. Hey, Bender's installation.
Let's go.
All done, mate. We've got 11K worth of cameras in here, huh? 11K.
No, we said 10.
He doesn't know the shower.
I know. We gotta go back to school.
Wrapped, G'd, all of the above. I'm waiting for a copper to pull me over. Pull me over.
Smile.
Waiting for the copper to pull me over.
What do we say? Dimples?
Huh?
Say the dimples.